everyone. This video is to show you how to use Mendeley to cite social media platforms. For the referencing style for social media is quite different from the others because the title need to have quotation marks. You need to have the platform with square brackets and the posted date. Of course, access date as well. Let's try to open TikTok. So this is one of my TikTok post. And now we can click on importer, click on select this, add into my library, view library. That's it, added, and going to put the author name, the year, that was 2025, the month, when was that? 1st of November. The source, TikTok with square bracket, TikTok, and this title need to be changed. That is not the right title. The title with quotation mark. And that is all. Let's go to the Word document to insert the citation and the reference for the source. That is the one. So we're going to insert, let's check the setting. Here, referencing style correct, language correct, sync again, and then reference, select the one that we want to insert. That's the reference. And then click on three dots, insert bibliography, live updates, continue. And that's it.